Hello and welcome to a video. I know it's been a while, but you know, I've been busy. So today I'm going to show you a very quick way of how to make milk jug skulls. These are very easy. Anybody can do them. All you need is a heat gun, some milk jugs, and a skull form of some sort. But yeah, let's get into the video. So first off, you're going to need your jug. So this is just a regular milk jug. I just keep these because, you know, they come in handy for things like this. So all you want to do is just take all the labels off, and then we're basically just going to cut round the seams all the way around, and then I just cut the handle out as well. And then I'll show you what you're left with. So once you've cut them out, you'll be left with a half like this. So you got your two halves, and then you'll have the little handle bit that you've cut out. So basically that just sat in there like that, or that way even. So that's just been cut out. You don't need that. It's too small to do anything with, well, that I've found anyway. So basically what we're going to do with these is we're going to place it over the skull. So you've got your skull. So you just need something to hold it upright. I just find it's easier if you let gravity sort of help take it into the recesses and stuff. So you're just basically going to put it on, and then just using your heat gun, just basically heat up the surrounding area on this, and then it will just mold to the shape of this. You're not going to get a perfect like skull, like it's not going to come out like this, but it doesn't need to, because like for haunt purposes, as long as the general shape is there, you've got the eye sockets, the nose and the teeth, that's good enough. So let's put some heat on it. Always remember, wear a mask. This is plastic. When you melt it, it is going to give off fumes. I'm also in a well ventilated shop, so I've got fans and that going when I do it. So yeah, make sure you protect yourself because you've only got one set of lungs. So as you can see, it's conformed to most of it. Basically the trick is to have your heat gun on high. Try not to burn it, like I burnt it a little bit here, but you know, a little bit doesn't really matter too much. But just get it to the rough shape. You're never going to get it perfect unless you're using like a vacuum former or something. You're not gonna get it. Obviously it's got the writing on there, but that doesn't matter because once you've painted it and stuff, it doesn't matter. So for these, basically I'm going to be cutting off a lot of this top section, and it's basically just going to be the front face of the mask, of the skull, sorry, because they're going on these bases, which is for another video. But yeah, that'll be up on the channel soon. So that's pretty much it, guys. And then once you've done that, you can just basically pick it off. And there's your skull. Obviously you can shape it and whatever you like after that, paint it, easy to do. Look at my other videos for how to paint stuff and make them look all bony and bloody and whatever. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. See you later, guys.